This is just a normal video of me sitting on the floor. But what if I turn this into this? And if I don't like the beach, I can go here or even here. Same video, completely different worlds. And the crazy part, I didn't shoot anything new. AI did all of this. So yeah.
Yeah, this isn't just some filter basic edit. This is Buzzy AI.
And it basically works like a video Photoshop. Instead of editing videos manually, you can pick inspiration or upload a clip or describe the change you want, and it creates a new version of that video. All the clips you've seen so far were created inside Buzzy AI, and you'll find the platform link in the description. Once you open it, the interface is super clean and easy to understand. Right in the center, you get three main options: Inspire Me, Create a Video, and AI Edit. With Create a Video, you can generate images as well as videos using powerful models like SeeDance 2.5, Kling 3, and Gemini Omni. And with AI Edit, you can simply upload your clip and edit it with prompts, character swap, style change, background change, camera movement, and a lot more. But instead of just explaining it, let's test it with real examples. All right, let's start with something simple. This is my original shot. I upload my clip and type, change background of this video to a beach and convert it into a cinematic video. Once you enter your prompt, Buzzy AI first analyzes your idea and creates a quick preview for you. So before the final generation even starts, you can check whether everything looks right. And once you confirm that preview, the actual video generation begins. Within just a few moments, our video is ready. So now, let's quickly preview the video. This is just a normal video of me sitting on the floor. But what if I turn this into this? And if I don't like the beach, I can go here or... And notice this, it's not just replacing the background. It actually changes lighting, depth, and the whole mood. The same clip, but completely different world. Now let's go one level deeper. I upload a reference image like this pilot outfit, along with this video as well.
Yeah, this isn't just some filter basic edit.
And then I type, use image as reference and change the character's outfit to match it in the generated video. And this is where Buzzy AI becomes really powerful. You don't need to write complex prompts or regenerate the video again and again. You can simply chat with it. Just explain what you want to create, change, or modify, and Buzzy will understand your idea and apply the edits. So whether you want to change the background, adjust the style, environment, swap a character, or improve the camera movement, everything can be done through simple chat. And as you can see, our video has also been generated. So now let's take a quick look at the final result.
Yeah, this isn't just some filter basic edit. This is Buzzy AI.
And just look at this. It literally changes what I'm wearing without touching the original video. No shoot, no costume, just Buzzy AI. And this is possible because of the optimization Buzzy had and the latest AI models it uses for the tasks like SeeDance 2 and Kling 3. Now this is where things get even more interesting. You're not just limited to changing one object in the video, you can actually add new objects, replace existing ones, or even completely change the lighting and mood of the scene. For example, I uploaded this clip where the character was holding a bottle. Then I gave a simple prompt asking the tool to replace that bottle with a transparent spherical ball. And honestly, the result came out surprisingly good. Just look at the reflections. Look at how the light is interacting with the surface of the ball. It doesn't feel like a random object pasted on top of the video. But this is not only about object replacement. You can also change the entire atmosphere of the video. For example, I gave another simple prompt asking it to turn the scene into a dark, spooky, horror-style moment with flickering lights. And as you can see, it generated this completely different version where the lighting keeps flickering, the mood feels more intense, and the whole scene has a horror vibe. Now this is where things get even more interesting. You can actually search for inspiration directly inside Buzzy and find viral-style videos you want to recreate. For example, I really like this one. So I just click on Recreate, upload my own image, and type something simple like, recreate this style using my image with similar lighting and motion. And just like that, it recreates the entire style with my footage.
I don't care about your first love. This should be your last one. Can make your last one. Make it look better on me. That's flash out.
And yes, clips like these can be used as strong hooks for your videos, whether you're posting on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Because this is not just basic AI generation. With Buzzy AI, you can create videos, edit them, change things, and modify your clips simply by chatting. No complex prompts, no complicated workflow. Just explain what you want, and Buzzy helps you make it happen.
By the way, Buzzy has also become one of the first platforms to integrate SeeDance 2.5. SeeDance 2.0 was already one of my favorite AI video models, but 2.5 is on another level. It can generate up to 30 seconds of video in a single shot. I tested it myself, and honestly, just watch this sequence I created. It looks absolutely insane. If you want to try it yourself, there's currently a launch discount running for SeeDance 2.5. You can check it out using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.